Hi guys, so this is the look that we are going for today. I do explain in the video that this does look complicated but really isn't, and you will see in the video that it genuinely isn't, so just keep watching and you will find out how to manage this look. Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing a makeup look, as you just saw, that might look complicated, but it really is not. I have tried it once before. It did turn out quite nicely. I really did like the look, and I just wanted to do it with you guys. So we'll just jump straight into the video. I'm going to quickly go off camera and prime this first eye. As you saw, this first eye is going to be red, orange and yellow, so we'll just quickly prime my eye and I'll be back with you guys. There we go, my first eye is primed. Like in my last video, I said about being able to use whatever palette of eyeshadow you have. That is the same with this look, and going forward I am going to be trying to do looks that you will be able to do with whatever palettes you have at home. As long as you have similar colours will be fine. Today, once again, I'm just going to be using the James Charles palette, but like I said, don't have to use that palette, don't even have to own it, just use similar colours and I'm sure it will look fine. Drop below if you do try out this look. I would love to see what you have made of it. Yeah, let's just jump straight into doing it. So the first colour that we're going to be doing is the red colour, which will be on the outer corner of this first eye. So I'm just going to take the red colour and I'm going to do it to about 2/3 of the way in, just so that we leave enough room for the orange and the yellow on the inner corner. So with this look, you don't need to be super duper precise. I obviously, as you can see, got it all over my eye. I am doing it above the crease as well. With my hooded eyes, I do, with this look specifically, go above my crease just so you can see it a bit more. Now I'm going to be moving on to the orange. You saw how quick that was. Honestly, this look isn't hard at all. So I'm just going to go in with the orange colour now, making sure that I leave room in my inner corner for the yellow. There we go, the orange is done. Once again, very quick, very easy to do, and I'm now going to move on to the last colour of this first eye, which is yellow. So I am just going to take a slightly smaller brush for my inner corner to do this yellow with, just so that I don't get it everywhere, pretty much. So if, like me, you are using the James Charles palette, I would recommend using a different orange, not from the James Charles palette, just because, as you can see, the yellow and the orange, they're just both very light colours. The orange I don't think is orangey enough, as weird as that sounds, it's just very light. But I'm just going to stick with it just because I want to just show you guys that you can do a look like this just using one palette. Now it's time to move on to the other eye. Like I said, super quick, looks more complicated than it is. Sometimes I think, even for me personally, I feel like I need somebody to break it down for me, just to show me that it is not as hard as it looks to get something that looks so good yet pretty complicated, even though it is not. Right. Now it's time to move on to the second eye. I'm just going to quickly prime my eye off camera, so I'll be back with you guys to do the purple, blue and green eye. There we go, the second eye is primed. We're just going to get straight into it again. I'm going to start off with the purple in the outer corner of the second eye. Now with this second eye, you don't have to do the colours as dark as I am going to be doing. I just like the way they looked. Like I said, I have done this look before, really liked the way it came out, so I am going to be doing it similar to what I did it last time. There we go, the purple is on. Like I said, a very dark purple, but I really like the way this purple comes out, so I'm just going to stick with it. It's time to move on to the blue shade. Now, I am going to use a lighter blue than this purple. There is a darker blue in the palette, but I want to see how well the lighter blue blends with this dark purple. I actually think that blue blended in really nicely with that purple colour, and I actually think this blue colour is gorgeous. I love it. It's honestly probably one of my favourites from the entire palette, but moving on, I digress. We are going to go to the green colour, which once again I am going to use a lighter green, although there is a darker green in the palette. And there we have it, both eyelids are done. Like I say, so quick. I really can't stress this enough, how quick this look is. I'm now going to go off camera and put the rest of my face on. As you can already see, I have already put my eyebrows on. I've done this just like I have done in every other video, except I have used the NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel just to keep my eyebrows in place, and then put mascara over the top of them. Yeah, so like I say, just going to quickly go off camera, put the rest of my makeup on, and I will be back. Hey guys! So I'm back. Everything is on. The only thing that I have left to do is to finish off my eyes. So I'm just going to quickly walk you through how I do the undersides of my eyes. I'm obviously just going to be using the same colours. So let's just get straight into it. So I am going to attempt to put some more of the eyeshadow base on the undersides of my eyes, just to see if that helps the eyeshadow last longer on the undersides of my eyes. So that didn't go on as cleanly as I would have liked, obviously, because I was only using my finger. I don't know if you can see how all over the place it kind of went, but it's fine. Let's just get to it. So I'm obviously just going to start with the red first. Okay, red is done. Now to move on to the orange. And lastly, the yellow. And there you have it. See, don't know if you can see that well, if I'm close enough, hopefully. I'm trying to see if I am close enough, but I can't see out the corner of my eye. I'm trying to show you. It's fine. Let's just move on to the second eye. Just going to do the exact same thing, obviously, but just with the opposite colours. I did forget to mention that when you do the undersides of your eyes, just make sure that you do join it to the outer corner. There we go, the purple is done. Now to do the blue. And last but not least, the green. And there we go, both eyes are done for eyeshadow at least. I'm now going to put on some eyeliner in my crease. I don't know if you remember from one of my other videos, I have these crayon eyeliners by Kat Von D. I have an orange one and I have a blue one, which is very good because both those colours are in the centre of my eye. So I'm going to go and quickly put these in my waterline and I'll be back. There we go, the eyeliner is on in my waterline, and while I was at it, I did just quickly put on my mascara as well. But there we have it, there is the entire look completely done. If you're wondering what I ended up putting on my lips, it was just this lip gloss by Morphe that I got in a set of lip liner, lipstick and lip gloss. I just thought with the whole look going on that I just put something simple on my lips. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you would like to subscribe to my channel, I do try and upload a video every Saturday. If not, if I have technical problems again, it will be the next week that I will be able to put one up again. Bye!